Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you will be good. So, today again I have come with a new video how to make sunflower. How to make sunflower using Python turtle. So, today I will make sunflower using Python turtle. So, do you want to know? Then watch full video, don't skip video. So, so let's go write our program and make Python turtle. So, I'm go on desktop screen and open your text editor. I will open our pycharm. First here, so first here create class file name. Create file name Python file sunflower.py and hit enter. First here import turtle. First here import turtle. Import turtle. Next turtle bg color. Turtle dot bg color. Bg color I will give black. You can give any another color, but I give black because here on black on skin looking is good. So black color on flower making is looking good. So I give black. Next, a speed turtle dot a speed. A speed 0. Next, high turtle dot high turtle and hit enter. And here import color. Here import colors is equal to yellow, red, again yellow, again red, and next here using I will use it here for loop. All program, all turtle program are using for loop. So here use for I in range. Here I in range. mm, how much? 120. 120 I will give. You can give 140. Sorry, here if colon. So again here for loop for C in color colors and colon and hit enter. Next color turtle dot color. Next color I will give C. Hit enter. Because in C in colors yellow and red in C color stored. So here C turtle color and turtle circle circle I'll give 200 minus I comma 100. Hit enter. Next LT turtle dot LT. I'll give LT 90 and hit enter. Next again here take circle turtle circle circle again 200 minus I comma 100 minus I comma 100. Again here take RT turtle dot RT. I will 60 and hit enter. Next turtle infill turtle dot infill. Next turtle main loop turtle dot main loop. And my program is successfully completed. Only 17 line program. So now I'm going for run this program. So file name right click and run sunflower. You can see looking is like making is looking good. So looking is very beautiful and making sunflower. Now making sunflower. You can see very easily. I hope you will understood this program. So mm, try to make this program So you go and write a program and make sunflower. So mm, if you any problem, you can say in comment box. I will give reply. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you, friends. Meet you next video. So thank you. You can see looking is good flower. Sunflower is very beautiful. So thank you.